no, Damon, I care about you. Listen to me, I care about you. I do, but I love Stefan. It's always gonna be Stefan.
Elena, what's going on in here?
Instead. Damon!
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have